Hey guys, welcome back. We're looking at the DAX 40 and the daily chart. And since the DAX has been trading below the 14,000 level, we decided to take a look at the daily chart time frame to plot out our support and resistances using our GANN angles emanating out of these particular support levels, the S1, S2. Okay, the immediate support is right around the 750, and the next support is 13,300. 350. All right. So let's see what the range might be for today. We're looking at primary resistance R1 right around 350 today, 340, 14,340. And in between, you'll where these red and white lines intersect, all right, they being above the current price level, they'll act as resistances, all right. So you can see we have a resistance right here where my cursor is with the hand, right? About 14,080 is our first resistance. Our second resistance is right here at this intersection at 180, 14,180. And obviously, our angular lines will act as resistance depending on the day. But today we are looking at the 14,080 and 14,180 as our primary resistances. Um, okay, so as you can see, we have significant resistance on the way up for the DAX today. Okay, so there's a lot of downward pressure, and the support being right about 13,950. Okay, and also 13,000 around 890 or so, which it actually tested. It actually broke the 950 support and tested the 890 support. The 890 support is out of the S2. Okay, the 950 is out of the S1, and since then it has bought all the way back. Okay, to 14,072 at present. So as you can see, there's a tight range from 14,180 to 13,890. Okay, we DAX. I expect DAX to remain in this range today. So trade accordingly. You can use multiple strategies to exploit the this range bound movement of the DAX. Right. One note on my videos, I primarily am concerned about support and resistance levels. The reason being, once you know the levels of the market for the day or for the hour, for the minute, there are numerous strategies you can use to make money, right? So the primary concern of my videos is always to know what the range is for the day or for that time period, and what are the levels where I might see buying or selling. That is support and resistances. Okay, guys. So if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section, and good luck. And we'll see what happens today. But looks like a range bound trade after breaking 14,000, and it might be preparing for a move lower later in the week. But we'll cover that in tomorrow's video. Okay, guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow.